Hello friends, today we are sharing the second part of our cocktails video, which is another 8 days of hatching, and there is a surprise at the end. Please watch till end and you will be amazed. Cocktail eggs hatched in 18 days, and I made a short time-lapse video of these 18 days in two parts. As I said, this is the second part, so watch, listen, like, share and subscribe. Cocktails are among the most popular pet birds, small parrots with a variety of color, patterns and a crest. They are attractive as well as friendly and easy to tame. Due to their small size, cocktail care and taming are easier than many other parrot species. They are capable of mimicking speech, although they can be difficult to understand. However, they are quite good at whistling and can often be taught to whistle tunes. In their native Australia, cocktails are known as corans, and they primarily live in the outback. They were discovered in 1770 and are members of the cockatoo family. Because they exhibit many of the same features and habits as the large bird, in the wild they live in large flocks. Cocktails become popular as pets in the 90s. They are easy to breed in captivity and their docile, friendly personalities make them a natural fit for home life. These birds, along with all native animals, can no longer be trapped and exported in Australia. The wild cockatiel has a grey body with a yellow face and crest and orange cheek patch. The colors on the face are brighter and more vivid in the male, and the female has bars on the underside of the tail's feather. Since they are bred in captivity for pets, several color mutations have been established over the years. Cocktails grow to just 12 or 13 inches from their head to tail. A healthy weight is between 2 and 4 ounces. Cocktails regularly live 15 to 20 years with proper care, of course. Variety is the key to a healthy diet for any parrot, including the cocktail seeds can be a nutritious part of the diet, but they are high in fat, so should only make up a portion of the diet. Pelleted diet are often a good choice for birds as they are nutritionally balanced, and bird can pick out their favorite seeds and leave the rest. However, with both seed and pellets, a wide variety of other foods should complement the diet. To keep your cocktail healthy, offer a variety of fresh vegetables and fruits. Persistence might be needed before your bird will try new foods, particularly if they are accustomed to an all-seed diet. Proteins such as hard-boiled egg and cooked meat can be offered in moderation. Sprouted seeds are also an excellent way to add variety to your bird's diet. With any bird, avoid avocados, chocolate, coffee, and salt because they can be toxic. A kettle bone can be provided as a source of calcium, but contrary to the advice given in older reference and by many pet stores, grit is not needed and can be harmful if your cocktail eats too much. A single bird is fine as long as you spend a significant amount of time interacting with the cocktail on a daily basis. If your lifestyle doesn't allow this, a pair of birds will prevent loneliness and self-harming behavior. These birds are naturally messy and they naturally produce a powder look like dandruff on their feathers. It is used in grooming and may leave a powdery coating on cages and accessories. Regular cleaning is necessary. Cocktails are active and playful and should have a large cage. Bigger is better as cocktails need space for horizontal flight, and with this in mind would recommend 48 inches long, 36 inches high and 36 inches wide as a good size for a pair of cocktails. There should be space to place at least a couple of perches at different levels with enough space to comfortably move between them. Offering a variety of perch sizes, shapes, and textures will also help keep your cocktail's feet in good shape. As with any parrot, exercise is going to make a cocktail happy and help maintain his physical and mental health. It's best to give your cocktail a good amount of time outside the cage as well. This is important for socialization and allow them to stretch their wings. These little birds have a reputation as a gentle and docile bird. They are very affectionate and often like to be petted and held, though they are not necessarily fond of cuddling. Instead, they simply want to be near their owner and will be very happy to see you. You will also find cocktails to be playful and active. While they vocalize and whistle, they are not as loud as some other parrots. The males are thought to be better at mimicking speech and whistles. Female cocktails are quite good at mimicry, though either sex may pick up and repeat sounds from your house, including alarm clocks, phones, and even wild birds outside. Though they are generally friendly and untamed cocktail can nip. This behavior can be prevented at an early age by ignoring the bad behavior. Never scold the bird because this can cause him to become too timid around people. They aim to replace, so reward good behavior and disregard the bad one. Further to my video, first egg hatched. Coco and Melon have their first baby ever. Parents are 12 months old and have their first clutch of 4 eggs in the month of October 2020. Well, I'm creating this a bit late as I have busy time of the year. Even though Coco and Melon are very young, but they took very good care of the eggs. And of course, Ranja was very helpful. For those who doesn't know about Ranja, he is offering his services as nanny and took a good care of the eggs. You will see further videos of them three feeding and raising 4 babies. Well, I have a good experience in breeding, taming and hand raiding. So please ask questions in the comment box. I will answer accordingly. Thank you.